Cisco AeroNet 1830 Series Access Point. The Cisco AeroNet 1830 is the entry-level 802.11ac Wave 2 access point. Its dual radio and 80 MHz support with 3x3 MIMO provides you with 867 megabit per second throughput. The two spatial streams support single-user MIMO and multi-user MIMO, a new feature in Wave 2. The Cisco AeroNet 1830 has a built-in controller function for smaller deployments when an external controller cannot be deployed. It supports the following deployment modes: Mobility Express, Centralized, Converged, and Flex Connect. Features Cisco AeroNet 1830 Series Access Point, 802.11ac Wave 2, 3x3 MIMO technology with two spatial streams, single-user MIMO and multi-user MIMO, wireless throughput 867 megabit per second, onboard controller function, over-the-air provisioning, USB 2.0 port, installation in minutes. Contact your authorized Cisco partner for more information. Cisco.com/go/wireless.